Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Hydraulic brakes versus electromagnetic brakes. What is the hydraulic brake? The hydraulic brake is a braking system used in cars that requires a special kind of liquid to slow down or to bring the vehicle into a halt. What are the parts of a hydraulic braking system? Brake pedal, push rod, servo, master cylinder, reservoir, hydraulic lines, wheel brakes. How does the hydraulic braking system work? By pressing the brake pedal, the mechanical force exerted here is then transferred to the push rod and into the servo. The servo applies additional power to the master cylinder to supply a sufficient amount of pressure to carry the hydraulic liquids to hydraulic lines. The hydraulic fluids that travel from the hydraulic lines will then reach the brakes of the car that creates friction through the wheel brakes, thus, causing the vehicle to stop. What are electromagnetic brakes? Electromagnetic brakes are the mechanical portion to stop or at least slow the rotary motion. It requires electric power to work. What are the components of the electromagnetic braking system? Stator, lining, armature, plate spring, armature hub. How does electromagnetic brake work? When the power is off, the axis attached to the armature hub together with the armature is rotating freely. The stator generates a magnetic force once the electric power is on. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.